I'm Gabby with Patriot Family Homes, and this is our newest short-term rental called the Wilmington Island Wanderlust. It is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home that can sleep up to 14 people in Savannah, Georgia. So come on, let's take a tour of the house. So first we're starting off here in this open layout kitchen. It's super beautiful. I love the tile. It has tons of appliances, a blender, toaster, microwave, mixer, tons of dinnerware and cookware for families to be able to eat your meals. And to go with that, you have this beautiful farm table, which can fit up to about 6 people, where you can have family meals together or get-togethers and hang out together at night at the table. This beautiful lighting in here. As we continue on, we go into the hangout nook area. The centerpiece of this room is this beautiful painting that was actually DIY by one of my coworkers. It looks so good in here, and this would be a really nice area if you have to work or get away from large crowds. You can sit here and kind of get some quietness. And you also have super easy access to the carport, which can fit a ton of people, so a ton of different cars can come, and you guys can all park right there. So as we continue on into the main living room, I love this room. I think it is so pretty and has the best decor. This living room comes with a queen sofa bed inside the couch. It also has a Roku TV with streaming. There's wireless internet in here as well. And the washer and dryer is also right here in this closet. A double stack. And then we make our way back around. We can go on to the main hallway. And this whole home is an open layout, which is perfect for families and friends to be able to spend a lot of time together. As we go into our first room, we have a bunk bedroom. And this would be perfect for kids, families. And then as you go directly next to it, you have the first bathroom, which, look at this beautiful tile. It is a shower. And just to reiterate, this home is brand new and has been newly renovated, which is totally awesome. And then as you go straight ahead, you have the king bedroom. Very spacious. It is super comfy. All the beds here are really comfy and perfect for groups. And then as you go to here, you have the other bathroom, and this bathroom is actually a tub shower combo. So if you want to take a bath and relax, this would be perfect for that. And then finally, to your right here, we have the 2 double beds. This is also a very spacious room and very comfy. This would be great for large groups coming here and staying, because this home can sleep up to 14 people. As we continue on, the last really cool part about this home is that it has a fully fenced-in backyard. So you can get access to the backyard either from outside by the carport or right through here. And it's totally fully furnished. The weather is beautiful here in Savannah today, and this would be great for young kids to come out here and play. For pets, this home is pet friendly, so this is a great yard to let your pets out and roam. And there's also an above ground pool that would be better use in the summer months that are upcoming.